welcome to this week's episode of Mitchbusters, brought to you by the makers of Mysteries of History. I'm Mitchell.
And I'm Jack, and this is the segment where we put various myths to the test. This week we have a glass. Usually you do this with a wine glass. We have here a margarita glass, and we're going to see if we can break it using only sound.
The way this works is that we have to match the vibration of the glass. Now every object has its own vibration, and if we can match it, it'll vibrate so much, it'll shatter. Here we go.
Maybe I can scare it. Ha! Is there like a weak spot or something?
I don't know. Break!
Maybe it'll break into a sick dance from these sick beats. No, I got nothing.
Wait a minute. Ow.
Dude, you got a plastic glass for us to try to break?
Alright. Anyway. Yeah, that's pretty solid.
So I guess you can't break it with sound. But you can CGI some awesome Michael Bay explosions into it.
Can you break a glass with just sound waves? We're going to declare this myth after a word from our sponsors.
Hey, Tim, show Joel how everything you touch turns into Skittles.
That's awesome.
Is it awesome? Well, you can't hold your newborn baby boy in your arms. Did you feed and dress yourself this morning? I didn't. I met a man on the bus today. I shook his hand. He'll never see his family again. I guess that's pretty awesome. Excuse me.
Touch the rainbow. Taste the rainbow.
After much thoughtful consideration,
Like a good 90 seconds worth.
we have come to the conclusion that this myth is busted.
Unlike the glass.
Very much so. Though we might not have been able to break it, because it is plastic. This guy did.
I don't think you're getting it to the right thing.
Any thoughts, Jack?
Yeah, I think we should be better prepared and use the right equipment next time.
I agree. Well, see you next week, CV, on Mitchbusters.